Cargill's been around since 1865. We have roughly 160,000 employees in 70 different countries across the world. So at this location here in Granger, one side of the facility is a dairy bulk production facility. The second facility is a retail bag facility.
Our bagging operations particularly spend time with species of poultry, equine, beef, and cattle. These packing lines can become complex, and when you find a company that specializes in putting packing lines together, obviously their skill set is a lot more than a standard millwright.
So the online training really helped these employees start fresh. They can go at their own pace. They can go back and see something that they weren't familiar with or didn't completely understand and put that into perspective.
The online training was amazing. It was pretty straightforward. It gave me a better understanding of what to expect coming in here. I will recommend the online training.
The online training was great. It gave me a lot of knowledge on what to do and how to do it. Once I kind of got familiar with the video parts, that made it easier with the test and the little multi-choice questions.
You can see from just the output initially of the new line, we're seeing rates that we normally don't see.
I mean, the safety part of it was on board with what we require. Cargill is very big when it comes to safety. It is our top priority. We will use it with employees going forward to fill different roles in that packing area. 100% recommend for someone to take that training.
The hands-on approach is more focused on a line or a piece of equipment at a customer site. Every customer is a little different. That's where the hands-on is really nice because it's specific to their equipment.
Packing is a completely new line for us, so to be able to have someone there with the expertise is amazing.
My job's rewarding in the fact that I'm helping people. I'm a coach trainer, so I train our clients and I also train our service techs.
Paul was really amazing. I really enjoyed working with him. He's very knowledgeable. If we have like bags that are getting rejected or overweight, he's on it right away.
Paul's been great. He's helped us in many ways, from sensors to faults. Just when we did make mistakes, he was there to, hey, it's no big deal, you just learn from it, and learning something new every day.
Definitely recommend it. The investment of training into your people is probably by far the most important thing you can do.
The online training and guidelines pretty much were like a layout, like a blueprint, and then the hands-on with like Paul, it was just like kind of like a glue. It put everything together, so it complements each other very well.
So the client portal has been an outstanding tool for us. To be able to contact somebody when you need it is a very beneficial tool for us. Whether it's the maintenance supervisor or the maintenance tech, they're able to go in, select the equipment they are having issues with, or the parts they need, and be able to fulfill that order.
The service agreement is something that this facility will go on to. Cargill has many facilities where we have the service agreement and have seen the benefits. Our lines uptime have increased. Our repairs and maintenance immediate costs have decreased. We're able to plan out our costs, so definitely would recommend a service agreement so you're able to plan.
The level of service that we receive from them and be able to work with engineers and technicians that have an understanding of how this equipment runs, how our industry operates, has been outstanding. I have nothing but good things to say about the team that we worked with. Great experience with Premier Tech and great experience with everybody that's came out from them.